Hi guys, it's Lindsay, and by the end of this, you are going to know how to make a post so that parents receive it into their email, and then that allows them to make sure that they let their child know, like, okay, you need to go check your activities for the day. Just remember that if you are posting activities for the students, parents will not get an email saying, oh, there's a new activity added to it. It's up to the students to go in and check out those activities, and I'm just finding that like my own children aren't going on there and checking to see if their teacher added anything. So just having that like communication with the parents has been, I've noticed, and putting these posts on here has definitely allowed the parents to come and encourage their children to go on and actually look at them. So you're going to log in, and then you're going to go add and hit post student work. This is where you can go down to the notes part, and you could make even a little message to the parents, or you could write here are the learning targets for the day. Here are the learning targets for the day. And then you could type it. And then when you're finished, you're going to hit the check mark. Okay. And then you could record it so that the students could hear it too, or the parents. Or if you're done, you're going to hit the check mark again. And you're going to select all students. And again, this will send out an email then to your parents that say, hey, check and make here are the to-do things today, or check and make sure you've gotten this post. Another thing that I have been doing is, this is also where I add my greeting or my hello message. So you can hit the upload, and I created my morning message so I could just add my morning message into it. So that way, like, yes, my kids are going to see it, but my parents are going to see it as well, and that gives them a clue. Now remember, like, parents are not going to get tons and tons of email. They will just get one email saying that you've posted something. So after this would upload, again, you would just hit the check mark and hit all students, and then that posts right away. So make sure that when you only do this when you're ready for the parents to see that you have something that you want your child to do. So I just have been doing this at about like 9:45 in the morning, and then the student knows, like, okay, here's the activity that they need to do for the day, and it's on there. I hope that helps. Let me know if there's any questions.